So I want you to familiarize yourself with adding money using the transfer method. From what you can see here, actually this is my mobile ad manager. You can go on Play Store or App Store, you download ad manager. You can just type ad manager right there. So from what you can see here, you can see I've spent over 6.6 million in this ad account. So so when I talk about playing big, I just want to show you something. When I talk about playing big, this is what I mean. If you can look at this, you see I have 46 active campaigns running in this ad account. Just one ad account. I use 4 ad accounts for my business, and one ad account I have 46 active campaign. I've spent over 6.6 million in this ad account. But that's not the lesson I want to share here. I want you to familiarize yourself with adding money using transfer method. That means you don't have to worry about if Facebook is declining your card and all of those trouble. So what you need to do first, I'm going to try as much as possible to make this video very, very understandable. So come here, you need to download the application and you log in. Logging in is just put that Facebook username and password and it will bring you in this interface. So you need to click this place that I just circled now that look like gear, that is settings. So what you need to do is now click on billing. The reason I'm circling all of this is so that you don't tell me that, oh, I didn't know how to do. So you click on billing and payment. You can see right here that I have 17. What I have now, what you're seeing here is available funds. If your funds finish, the advert will stop. All right, so I'm going to add, I just want to add, for instance, it's just for testing, right? Let me add 500 naira. This is just for testing. Okay, let me just add 500 naira here. So now you see what was there is 45, but you can always change it to any amount you want to add. All right, so I'm just going to remove that 45 and add 500. When I choose 500, now this is important. I want to look at this. All of these are payment method. All of these are payment method. But for the sake of this video, what we are going to use is pay by transfer. Let me point that out. Pay by transfer. If you have your Naira card, it must be Visa and MasterCard. You can go with this one. But I want us to familiarize ourselves with pay by transfer. So I'm just going to choose pay by transfer and I'll click on next. What will happen is that Facebook will ask for my phone number and automatically they're going to generate a virtual bank account for me. And I have been using this over the years. I have used this quite a number of times, and I have seen that it is actually very fast than trying to use okay. So I'm just going to put my phone number. And click on continue. So once I click on continue, Facebook automatically generates, this is the bank account, all right, and this is the bank. The name of the bank is Pega. So if you are using OPay, I would always suggest, please, if you are using this pay by transfer, make sure that you are using fintech bank, OPay, MoneyPoint, PalmPay, Kuda. You know why? So that immediately you transfer money to this account, it will not take time like our traditional bank used to take before they can confirm your payment. Just imagine what's going to happen here. I'm going to pause this video and transfer 500 naira to this account detail. So once I do that, I will come back. All right. But even before I make the transfer, let me point this out. Look at this. This virtual account number is valid for 27. Like they give you 30 minutes, but you have to be looking at this number that is reading here. Once the number is no longer valuable, please do not transfer to this. That's why I said you have to use account. Those fintech accounts that will not, login problem, network OTP problem. Don't use those accounts. So just use fintech bank account and you will be good. So I'm just going to transfer the money now. Okay, so I have just transferred the money right now. Look at what will happen. It will not take, so you see, it didn't take even 3 seconds before the money was confirmed. Look at that. Funds successfully added. So once you have seen this, you know that the fund have been added to your ad account. All right. Once you make that payment, you no longer need to press anything. Just give them like 5 seconds. The funds will be successfully added. Although sometimes you might encounter some network issue with Pega, but it happens on a rare cases. But if you want to be on the safe side, this is what I do also. Make sure that you find a way. It's not a must, but I'm talking about people that want to really run advert consistently without having any trouble. Ensure that you have, even if it's one MasterCard or Verve or Visa. Please don't use Verve. Facebook no longer accept Verve, right? So that's how you do this. This is a task. I want you to, except maybe if you've added money on your Facebook using this app. If you have not, please add like 500 naira so that you can familiarize yourself with the steps.